let's say you're working on this thing and you wanted to like build up the bulk of this hair. Like I guess there are different ways you can do this. You could like make a mesh and extrude it from the scalp or something. What you can do is turn on this guy, your snap tool, and have it snap to the polygon surface. And just tweak it until it looks nice. It also works with the extrude tool. It's actually quite lovely. So let's say you got your hair like built up here, you made it all nice and stuff. And you want to duplicate it to the other side. What you can do is take that NURBS path and apply a mirror modifier. Just like so. So technically speaking, you only really have to like model half the head and just mirror the other half. I think this is like a basic modeling strategy. Just model half, not the whole thing. She looks like an old man now. Okay. Okay, enough of that. As I was saying before, what was I saying before? Posing, you'll come to discover that posing these hair clumps is basically one of the most difficult and the most time-consuming steps. I actually kind of feel like I'm going to like work with this. I could have cleaned it up a bit more, but it doesn't really serve and the purpose of my tutorial, these tutorials. And you can go further with it if you want. I'm going to work with this. I could go further with it, but this is plenty for this tutorial. Technically speaking, that was the easy part. Setting up. The hard part, well, difficult to comprehend part, would be setting up the materials for your hair. I'll cover that in the next section because it's a doozy.